Now to something pretty amazing. Clean everything dirty with an environmentally conscious product that's revolutionary. An all-purpose, septic-safe, high-efficient detergent and cleaner that can tackle anything while saving you money. Monica Ortega shows us how Powerizer Complete works to ensure your floors are clean and free of residue. Take a look.
Clean your floors the first time around with Powerizer Complete. It's a detergent and cleaner with no harsh chemicals. You can toss out all those extra cleaning products that are taking up space and still get your floor sparkling clean. And with the power of our Wonderwedgie Microfiber Cloth, it's easy to use. It's never been safer to dust, mop, and polish any surface in your home that you would clean with a cloth. For example, your windows, tile, mirrors, even hard surfaces like walls. Get rid of the mops you have with all attachments, wasteful replacement pads, and all those cleaning containers taking up space in your home and later in landfills. The added bonus is that you'll save time and money. Let's see Powerizer in action. I'm using a popular floor cleaner on this mirror, and you can see how the microfiber cloth removes all residue that's left behind after mopping. And here's something even more exciting. You can use the Wonderwedgie Mop to do what's called a mechanical clean. What that means is that you can get things cleaned with just Wonderwedgie and water. But using Powerizer will get your floor sparkling clean. Just be sure that when you finish mopping, you do a final rinse to get rid of any residues left behind. Check out how it works. We can remove the residue on this mirror quickly and easily. Just spray plain water and use the microfiber cloth from your Wonderwedgie. This allows you to scrub, trap, and lift off all the residue. Now you have a completely residue-free surface. It works just like this on any surface, including your floors. Now you can see from this demonstration, even after you think your floors are clean, think again. Other mops just simply push the dirt around rather than picking it up and giving you a clean surface. And in the end, the floors are not really clean until you remove dirt and other residues left behind. We all know traditional mops are hard to wash and dry. Sometimes they end up smelly, giving off a foul odor. The Wonderwedgie Mop is simple to clean. Just toss the cloth in the laundry and let it air dry until you need it again. Once you try the Wonderwedgie, you'll never use anything else. And there's so many other uses for this amazing tool. But don't take my word for it. Order today and give it a try on your floors first.
Powerizer Complete handles cleaning everything dirty, including every floor in your home or office. Powerizer is made from plant and mineral-based ingredients with no fillers, dyes, or harsh chemicals. Order today and receive 15% off your first purchase and receive a 30-day money-back guarantee. To order, just visit PowerizerClean.com and use the promo code MileHigh or at Amazon.com. Powerizer paid for today's segment.